Just 1 minute could change everything. Discover how hydrogen might revolutionize on stroke recovery. Physical pain, limb stiffness, difficulty moving, chronic fatigue, and sleep issue are common problems faced by most stroke patients. Following a doctor's advice and attending physiotherapists are essential steps in recovery. But what if I tell you that there is an additional powerful element that can truly elevate stroke rehabilitation? It is hydrogen. Hydrogen has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties as it helps reverse damage, regain mobility, soothe pain, improve blood flow, improve sleeping, and boost energy. It is powerful aid in the journey to stroke recovery. That's why we created Hi-Bliss hydrogen therapy. This unique combination of physiotherapy and hydrogen therapy is designed to help stroke patients bounce back from a stroke, prevent stroke recurrence, regain, and improve their quality of life with just spraying hydrogen gas. Curious about how Hi-Bliss hydrogen therapy can transform stroke recovery? Contact us today and dive into the potential of hydrogen in healthcare and wellness. Unlock a new path to healing and vitality with Hi-Bliss.